From email marketing campaigns to your business YouTube channel, learn how to make the most of your videos to improve your marketing strategy. Profit from Placeit by taking advantage of all the templates we offer to boost your business with these 5 tips to keep your brand fresh using video templates. Number 1. Tell a story to show your product or service. Make a video about your product's greatest features. How are they done? Where are they done? What's your added value? And more. Making a company overview video that is perfect for investors and new clients is an example. Using Placeit's slideshow video maker, you can tell your business story easily. It's all about telling your customers who you are. Number 2. Create a striking yet useful video. Make your competitors jealous and create fun animated videos to brag about your star products in a bold way. Everyone is doing video advertising now, so come join the experts with high-quality professional-looking videos. Go further and show off your best reviews with fun testimonial videos, or make a tutorial video showing your customers how to do something. Number 3. Focus on social media. Hello Instagram! Share your updates, events, and more on your social media. Online video marketing is just the perfect way to promote a sale, a special offer, an announcement, well, to be honest, everything. Animated videos can help your message look way more interesting and you can easily brand them with your style. Number 4. Get involved in your community. Now, it's time to engage with your community. For example, you can create short videos to celebrate your milestones, or share inspirational quotes or other kinds of visuals for your social media video marketing. Got an event coming up? Are you collaborating with a cause? Let them know and be part of it. Number 5. Tease. Time to keep your audience interested in your posts. Tease them once in a while. Before you release a new product, make sure you announce it before. Make amazing content teaser videos to promote your most recent news, events, updates, or anything else. Invite your followers into reading your upcoming blog posts or to check out your latest fashion collection. Making videos to boost your marketing efforts is easier than ever. Using a video maker online tool, in just a few clicks right from your browser, you can create professional-looking animations to promote, sell, update, and more about your brand. I have some other videos. Make sure to check them out and don't forget to like and subscribe.